Dogs are not just pets, they are beloved members of our families. Their happiness and well-being should be a priority for every dog owner. A happy dog is not only more enjoyable to be around, but also tends to be healthier and live longer. Ensuring a dog's happiness involves more than just feeding and sheltering them. It requires physical exercise, mental stimulation, socialization, a healthy diet, proper healthcare, and emotional bonding. By following vet-approved tips, dog owners can significantly enhance their pet's quality of life, leading to a more fulfilling and joyful companionship. One of the primary factors influencing a dog's happiness is exercise. Dogs are naturally active creatures that require regular physical activity to maintain their health and prevent behavioral issues. Daily walks, playtime, and interactive games like fetch or tug-of-war can help keep dogs engaged and fit. Veterinarians recommend at least 30 minutes to 2 hours of exercise per day, depending on the breed and age of the dog. Larger breeds and working dogs generally require more exercise than smaller or less active breeds. Ensuring that a dog gets enough physical activity can prevent obesity, reduce anxiety, and eliminate destructive behaviors that arise from boredom. Mental stimulation is just as crucial as physical exercise for a dog's happiness. Dogs are intelligent animals that thrive on mental challenges. Providing puzzle toys, treat dispensing gadgets, and obedience training can help keep their minds engaged. Teaching new tricks and commands not only strengthens the bond between dog and owner, but also provides much-needed cognitive stimulation. Some breeds, such as Border Collies and German Shepherds, require even more mental engagement due to their high intelligence levels. Rotating toys and introducing new activities regularly can prevent monotony and keep a dog's curiosity alive. Socialization plays a significant role in a dog's emotional well-being. Dogs are naturally social animals that benefit from interacting with humans and other pets. Regular playdates with other dogs, trips to the dog park, and exposure to different environments can help build their confidence and reduce anxiety. Dogs that are not adequately socialized may develop fear-based behaviors, aggression, or excessive shyness. Veterinarians recommend starting socialization early in a dog's life to ensure they grow into well-adjusted and happy adults. Even for older dogs, controlled and gradual socialization can significantly improve their overall temperament and happiness. A well-balanced diet is another fundamental component of a happy dog's life. Proper nutrition provides the necessary vitamins, minerals, and proteins needed for optimal health. Feeding high-quality dog food that meets the pet's specific dietary requirements is essential. Some dogs may require specialized diets due to allergies, sensitivities, or health conditions such as diabetes or kidney disease. Fresh, whole foods such as lean meats, vegetables, and certain fruits can also be incorporated into their meals as long as they are safe for canine consumption. Ensuring that dogs are well hydrated and maintaining a consistent feeding schedule contribute to their overall well-being and happiness. Routine healthcare is vital in ensuring a dog remains healthy and happy. Regular veterinary checkups allow early detection of potential health issues and provide preventative care such as vaccinations, dental cleanings, and parasite control. Dogs should be examined by a vet at least once a year, with more frequent visits for senior dogs or those with health concerns. Proper dental hygiene, including brushing teeth and providing dental treats, can prevent oral diseases that could impact a dog's overall well-being. Additionally, keeping up with flea, tick, and heartworm prevention is essential to protect dogs from harmful parasites that can lead to serious health problems. Another crucial aspect of a dog's happiness is emotional bonding with their owner. Dogs are highly affectionate animals that thrive on love and attention. Spending quality time with them, engaging in activities they enjoy, and offering positive reinforcement through treats and praise can strengthen the human-animal bond. Simple gestures like petting, belly rubs, and speaking to them in a gentle tone can make a significant difference in their emotional state. Dogs that feel loved and secure are generally happier and exhibit fewer behavioral problems. Providing a comfortable living environment also contributes to a dog's happiness. A clean, safe, and cozy space where they can rest and feel secure is essential. This includes a comfortable bed, access to fresh water at all times, and a designated area where they can retreat when they need rest. Avoiding excessive noise, stress, or sudden changes in routine can also help dogs feel more at ease. Ensuring that they have a consistent daily routine, including set meal times, walks, and playtime, can provide a sense of stability that enhances their overall well-being. Understanding a dog's unique personality and needs is key to their happiness. Every dog is different, and what makes one dog happy may not necessarily work for another. Observing their behavior, preferences, and body language can provide insight into what they enjoy and what causes them stress. Some dogs may prefer active play, while others may enjoy lounging by their owner's side. Being attuned to their needs and adjusting accordingly can significantly improve their quality of life. Training and discipline are essential components of a well-adjusted and happy dog. Consistent training using positive reinforcement techniques can help establish boundaries and encourage good behavior. Reward-based training, where dogs receive treats, praise, or playtime for following commands, is particularly effective. Harsh punishments and negative reinforcement can lead to fear and anxiety, which can negatively impact a dog's overall well-being. Patience and consistency in training contribute to a trusting and respectful relationship between the dog and owner. Introducing variety and adventure into a dog's life can also boost their happiness. Dogs enjoy exploring new places, scents, and experiences. Taking them on hikes, road trips, or even simple car rides can provide excitement and mental stimulation. Allowing them to experience different environments, such as the beach, mountains, or open fields, can bring joy and enrichment to their lives. Even changing up their daily walking route or introducing new toys can make a difference in keeping them engaged and happy. Proper grooming and hygiene contribute to a dog's overall comfort and happiness. Regular brushing helps remove loose fur, prevent matting, and stimulate blood circulation. Bathing them with dog-friendly shampoos keeps their coat clean and free from dirt and parasites. Nail trimming prevents overgrown nails, which can be painful and affect their ability to walk properly. Cleaning their ears and checking for infections or irritations can also prevent discomfort. Grooming sessions can be a bonding experience, as many dogs enjoy the attention and gentle handling. Ensuring that dogs have access to appropriate chew toys can prevent destructive behavior and promote dental health. Dogs have a natural instinct to chew, and providing them with safe and durable chew toys can help satisfy this urge while keeping their teeth clean. Avoiding items that are too hard, such as bones or hard plastic toys, can prevent dental fractures. Rotating toys and introducing different textures and flavors can keep them entertained and engaged. Another way to enhance a dog's happiness is through scent enrichment. Dogs have an extraordinary sense of smell, and allowing them to engage in scent-based activities can be highly rewarding. Playing scent games, hiding treats around the house, or taking them to sniff-friendly areas can provide mental stimulation. Some dog owners use essential oils, such as lavender or chamomile, to create a calming environment for anxious dogs, but it is important to consult a vet before introducing any scents. Adopting a second pet can sometimes improve a dog's happiness, especially if they enjoy companionship. Some dogs thrive in a multi-pet household where they have a playmate to interact with. However, introducing a new pet should be done carefully and gradually to ensure compatibility. Observing their interactions and ensuring both animals receive equal attention and resources can help create a harmonious living environment. Ultimately, making a dog happier involves understanding their needs, providing a balanced lifestyle, and showing them love and care. By incorporating these vet-approved tips, dog owners can create a fulfilling and joyful life for their furry companions. A happy dog is not only a reflection of good health and well-being, but also a testament to the strong bond shared between a pet and their owner.